Let's start by pouring our apple cider into our crock pot. Just like this. And we need 2 quarts of apple cider. So let's add our another one just like this. Now let's add our orange juice. And now let's add our pineapple juice. And now let's move on to our next step. Now let's add our sugar. Now let's add our honey, just like this. And scrape it in there. Get as much as you can out, just like that. Now let's add our cloves. And now we'll add our cinnamon sticks. And I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay, now let's stir this together, just like this. Okay, and now let's cover it and put it on low for 8 hours. And I'll be back to show you the finished product.